how Mom begins her vacation. So what are you doing?
I'm sweeping the floor.
And why we do that?
I got nervous energy.
We're about to leave for Charleston, South Carolina. It'll take us about 4.5 hours. We are leaving from Wilkesboro, North Carolina. So we got to head down 77 and then on 26.
Jolly on.
As you walk into the Charleston Harbor Resort and Marina, the nautical decor, soft postal colors, and wood accents really set the tone. You immediately know you're on a harbor getaway. And before we even made it to the room, we were greeted with a little welcome surprise at check-in. Hey y'all, it's time to check out our room, 1225. As soon as we open the door, we're greeted by warm wood floors and, well, a row of luggage. How embarrassing. Did we overpack? Be honest and let us know in the comments. Next, we've got these double doors that open into a very large and elegant bathroom. Just look at those marble floors. You'll find a bathtub and a separate walk-in shower. There are double sinks stocked with your classic hotel soaps and lotions, plus a small counter area that's perfect if you want to spread out makeup or toiletries. Now, let's move into the main space. The room is open and airy with 2 queen beds, plenty of room if you're traveling with family or friends. There's also lots of storage, drawers, a closet, and even an in-room safe for your valuables. And yes, they even gave us a fireplace and extra storage space, something you don't always see in a resort room. We also love these fun touches, like the table with a checkerboard design painted right on top. And check out that ceiling fan. It really adds to the breezy coastal vibe. But y'all, the best part, hands down, the balcony. Step outside and you can watch the ships glide right through Charleston Harbor. Today, we even caught a container ship floating by. From here, you can also spot the historic USS Yorktown 724 and the iconic Ravenel Bridge in the background. The views are absolutely stunning. I could just sit out here all day and watch.
I honestly don't know who the eagle look. I mean, I've heard of it. I have no idea who they look like.
Chocolate cake.
Count